Hi there, students. Tag. A tag. To tag as a verb. Okay, this is a word with a multiplicity of different meanings. First of all, a tag is a piece of paper or cardboard or cloth or metal with information on it. So on the back of my shirt there's a tag. Yeah, you can probably just see the tag. Or a price tag. I looked at the price tag on the item and nearly fainted. I put on my new suit and forgot to remove the price tag. Or maybe soldiers wear dog tags round their neck to identify their name. Okay, so a tag. A tag can also be an electronic thing that is fastened to a person or an animal or an object so that people know where they are. In shops there are security tags on items so people don't steal them. Yeah, high value items in shops often have security tags, or they may release you from prison, but you have to wear a tag so that the police know where you are. An ankle tag, an electronic tag, a geo tag. A tag, this is as well a way of marking part of a document. So you can mark a document with tags so that you can identify it. Or a hashtag. Yeah, a hashtag. This tells you how the document should be treated or when it should be shown. The videos that I make, they have tags that tell you what the video's about. So it's about English, it's about the word tag, it's about how to use it, it's about a good description of the word, a tag. In the Americans use this word for the number plate, the license tag. In British English I would say the number plate, but the Americans use the word the tag, and this is the number KRJ357Y. That would be the license plate of the car. Or in language, a question tag. At the end of a sentence, you're tired, aren't you? It's been a long day, hasn't it? Please go home, will you? Yeah? I'm happy to be here, aren't I? Okay, this is normally to add emphasis to a question or to get agreement or to check information, question tags. But the easiest question tag in English is right. You understand, right? Tag is a game that kids play where one tries to tag the other, to touch the other, and then that person becomes it. Yeah? Or tag. I think when I was a kid they also call this tig, but you need to chase the other people, and once you touch them they're it, and then you run away from them. So to tag. Or in graffiti, you have a tag. In graffiti, it's somebody's name that is painted in graffiti on a wall. It represents their signature. The tag is the most commonly seen piece of graffiti. Or a tag, something that links your a photo or a comment to on a website. So a tag. In baseball, you can tag the runner. You can, if you're holding the ball, you touch the runner before they get to the base and they are out. So tag, lots and lots of meanings, as I said. Let's see. the origin is from Middle English tagger, a small piece hanging from a garment. There's a Norwegian word tag, a point, a tag. Icelandic tag, a willow twig. To tag on, to tack on, to join on. Formality. So let's see. A price tag, five in formality. A security tag, 5 in formality. A tag on a document, 5 in formality. I think all of these I'm going to give 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. So, tag.